Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make potassium water for plants. Potassium is a crucial nutrient that helps your plants thrive, contributing to stronger stems and vibrant blooms. It plays a key role in overall plant health, improving disease resistance and enhancing fruit and flower development. Understanding how to provide this essential element can significantly boost your garden's success. Let's dive into why potassium is so important and how you can easily incorporate it into your plant care routine. Many common household items are excellent natural sources of potassium for your plants. Banana peels are particularly rich in this nutrient, offering a slow-release benefit as they break down. Wood ash from untreated wood is another fantastic source, providing not only potassium but also other valuable minerals. Even your compost pile, especially when enriched with fruit and vegetable scraps, can yield beneficial potassium. These organic options are sustainable ways to nourish your plants. Making potassium water is quite simple. Start by chopping 2 to 3 banana peels into small pieces. Place these pieces into a jar or container and cover them with water. Let this mixture steep for about 3 to 5 days, allowing the potassium and other nutrients to leach into the water. You'll notice the water may start to brown. Once steeped, strain the liquid and dilute it with 5 parts fresh water before applying it to your plants. Once your potassium water is ready, it's time to apply it to your plants. For best results, use this solution every 2 to 4 weeks, ensuring your plants receive a consistent boost. Remember, moderation is key. Too much of a good thing can sometimes harm your plants, so avoid over-fertilizing. This natural approach supports robust growth and vibrant blooms. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.